Now I will show you the layout editor problem. Go to account, instellingen means settings, profiles, and then you see edit in Dutch it's opmaak. Click on wijzig, which means edit. Then you see edit layout.php. The same in Moneybird. Then you see the edit layout, exactly the same. Only the problem here is it doesn't show the dummy information, which is if you don't fill in the company information here, just like in Moneybird, if this information is not filled in, then it should show the dummy information. So I didn't fill in anything here. If you go here again, it doesn't show anything, just my name, that's it. So it should show the dummy information, just like in the invoice. You see here the dummy information again. So you can take this information and let it show in the edit layout. It should show here, but only if the company information is not filled in. Okay, so let me fill it in, then it will be clear. Okay, just some dummy information, just my email, tax number, Chamber of Commerce, your bank account, international bank account, save. Okay, now my information is now filled in. Go back to edit mode. Now you see my information. Now it's good. Please delete the enter here. Okay, it doesn't show the logo because I didn't add it yet. It doesn't matter actually. The problem here is advanced, and you can manage the CSS images. This doesn't work, it doesn't do anything. If you go to Moneybird, let me click on edit. You see here advanced again, and you see here the complete CSS of this document. You can edit everything here. Let's say the document color. Let's say we want to add the background is white, let's say red, just like this. Click save. Okay, that doesn't work here. Let's make this 000. Now it's completely black. Let's make this white. Now everything is gone because I can edit the CSS directly here. Let's make it black again. You can actually just refresh the page here. You don't have to save it. Let me save it again. As you can see, you can manage the images again. Everything is just like you see it here. Back to editor. Everything you see here, we want it here. The last programmer made a mess out of it, as you can see. This link, you can just ignore it. We will link it to a page with more details, just like Moneybird does. Click on it. It goes to the help section and explains everything about CSS. We will make our own page, so you can just ignore it. Other problem is actually everything works great in here. You see here, this is the estimate overview. This is invoice, this is estimate, just like Moneybird does estimate, invoice. As you can see, they have here text, standard text, and we don't, which should be standard. And you can edit it here. This is above text, this is before the table, so that comes here. And the footer text is not here. And Moneybird does have that. As you can see, they have footer text, estimate text, which is the footer, and this is what comes here, and we don't have that, which we do need. So all this text here and here should be standard when you create a new invoice, an estimate. So we don't have any text here. It should be the same. So let's go to estimate, create a new estimate. And now it does show text, which is wrong because we didn't insert any text in the layout editor, and also no footer text, which should also be fixed. So that's the other problem. Let's go back. Invoice, the estimate. The rest is good. Other problem is, I think this is fixed, I'm not sure. Let me see. The logo, let me add a logo. This is good. It stretched a little bit, so I think we can fix this ourselves, just CSS. This does nothing. It doesn't show the logo again. Only if you save, and that's the problem. It should instantly show the logo when you select a logo here. When I do centered, it does center it. When I do left, it does go to the left. When I do right, it does do right. So that's okay. Logo on the complete width of the document does not work. It crops the logo, as you can see. When I deactivate this, it's still cropped, as you can see, the logo. So it's all messed up. Let's go to estimate. Is exactly the same problem when I show you the problems in here. So that's the other problem. Another problem is it doesn't show the customer number, dummy customer number, of course, like here. This means customer number, in invoice customer number again, and it doesn't show here. Expire date should be 10 days later instead of 1 day, just like here. 10 days later. Also in invoice, estimate, exactly the same. This all should be 21%. We don't have 19% anymore, so you can fix this to be 21, just like in Moneybird has 21. The color in here, we will CSS it to the standard, or you know what? You can take the example of them, completely white with black lines. Please change it to the Moneybird one, and the customer, of course, the one that's logged in, can of course edit everything in here, which doesn't work, like I told you before. So that's the problem in the edit layout mode. Thank you.